Yeah, chrome bumpers on the front, chrome bumpers on the back, just how God intended. This is an updated radio.
It is an updated radio.
It's a digital radio.
Ah, you know what that means. It's probably got the Bluetooths.
It's electric.
Boogie, woogie, woogie. Woo-hoo-hoo. Second gear, baby. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars with our new son. And this is a 1971 hatch green Corvette. Numbers matching engine and transmission. It's a 350. Originally came with a 2-barrel, but we put a quadrijet on it, or we didn't do it, somebody did it. The 4-speed Muncie. It's got 370 rear gears, limited slip. Isn't that nice? Now, did you show a video of the top going up and down?
Yes, I did.
Nice.
It's manual. I did it myself. It's pretty easy to do. White top, of course, to go with this black interior and this awesome hatch green paint.
Love it.
Interior is gorgeous.
It is.
Love the black bucket seats.
And the
Looks very
71s
nice.
have chrome bumpers. Yay.
Yes, they do. And this paint in the sun
It's
looks
pretty.
awesome.
Let me open up that front hood.
Yeah, chrome bumpers on the front, chrome bumpers on the back, just how God intended. BF Goodrich radial TA tires, because you can't find a better tire to put on a muscle car.
Nope.
There's the hood.
There's the numbers matching 350. Oh, let's see the horsepower rating. 270 horse. Very nice.
But now it has a 4-barrel.
It does, so it's probably a little better than that. It's a great little car. It's everything you need if you're starting out with the vets.
I know.
It's a 71, it's hatch green, it's a convertible, steel bumpers, nice 350, a manual. What else do you want?
Nothing.
Let's drive it.
Let's drive it.
Okay.
Look at those headlights and the brights. Very cool. They work good. Listen to it. So good. Here's your mic, good sir.
Oh, thank you.
I'm actually gonna ungimbalify my gimbal so I can fit in the car easier. And I'll
Ungimbalify the gimbal.
I'll
Nice.
re-gimbalify it when we get to our flyby spot so you can
Are you
use
saying
it.
C3s aren't big enough to de-gimbal your gimbal?
I mean, honestly, there's more room in here than I was expecting. There's all of our gauges down there for all of our beautiful stuff. Fuel, water temp, a little clock, oil pressure, which is great. Battery voltage, and a radio that says Corvette.
Oh.
Very cool. Then you have your air controls down here below that.
Very nice.
With a defogger and a de-icer.
A defrogger.
These are for vents to let some fresh air in, which is kind
Venting.
of cool. And then down here by the shifter, you have the little pattern, the display of the pattern. And then down there, you have the horsepower rating, which is a very cool thing about Corvettes, especially from this era. And yeah, 270 horse, 350 cubic inches, 360 pound-feet of torque though, 8.5 to 1 compression.
Nice.
So not a very high-strung V8. 8.5 to 1 isn't very high as far as compression goes.
No, it is not.
But this thing has plenty of power. And now with a 4-barrel, it should be even peppier than it was new.
Happier.
And we have
Sounds
the
good.
top down on a beautiful day, so what more do you want?
Thank you for that, Jakey. I love the top down.
Yeah, I showed it up. And there's plenty of pictures of the top while it's up and on our website in the photo booth at www.fastlanecars.com. So look at those there. And then I'll put in some video of me taking the top down. It's real easy. There's 3 latches in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 on each side, and then there's 2 levers underneath this cover here. One releases the top from the back, the other lifts the clamshell up. And you just fold it into the back. It's real easy.
Wow, it's real easy to shift too.
And also, brand new top.
Oh, that's right.
We just put a top on this car, so that top is brand spanking new.
It's great.
You're not gonna have to worry about it. It looks fantastic too. The white top on the screen paint.
Love it. Love it.
It's very nice. Nice horn. Seems like it shifts really well.
It does. Wait until you drive it. We're half mast. I assume that's for the Pope?
Yeah. Unfortunately, the Pope Francis passed away yesterday. Rest in peace, Pope Francis.
That's a honk for him.
Very good.
Oh, man. So it's got 370 rear gears.
That's pretty peppy.
We're going about 50, 60 miles an hour. About 2,000, 2,300.
Not bad.
It's nice. And I love the green.
I love that big hood out in front of us. Those massive, tall fenders. It's a great look out of the front of the Corvette, especially the C3.
C3.
One of the best looking generations, in my
believe
opinion.
you are right. And I like the 71 because, well, it's cool.
That, and this is before all those smog and emission standards came through during the fuel crisis. So this still has plenty of power.
Tons.
And it has a big wheel with the Corvette logo in the center of it. That is the horn there in the center. Chris loves honking it. And then in the gauges, we have, what, a speedo and attack?
Yep.
Right there. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
Speedo on the other side. Both work fantastic, of course. And you did the lights. The buckets for the lights are fast.
It's very nice.
They go very fast, and they actually go up evenly. Which
is
if you know on a C3 is very rare to find.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. The headlight buckets, sometimes one of them kind of has a wink to it, and they're vacuum operated, so.
Oh, look at this, Jake.
But these almost seemed electric when you put them up. They went so quickly.
Woogie. They weren't though, but.
I know. This guy's taking
on here?
Sweet time. I don't know. They're working on something. They got the crane.
They got it's not windy.
Yeah. The breeze has actually died down.
Yikes. Utilities.
So, it is about 80 degrees and sunny, so.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Perfect convertible weather.
I love April.
These seats are comfy too.
You know, they have to be redone. I'm gonna have to read about it.
I'm sure they are.
They're just so comfy.
They feel like leather too.
Oh,
I don't know if are they vinyl or leather, do you know?
I think they're leather, but I'm gonna have to look in the book.
Very
because
nice.
this is a very nice car.
They also
very well done.
Cranky windows.
They're not mad at you.
They're not mad. You just gotta crank them to put them up and down. They work really well. They're nice and smooth. The dashboard is in great condition. No cracks or anything in that. Which is very nice. And we're almost up to our bean test. So we're gonna see how many beans this has.
It's got a few.
Water temp's just starting to move.
Nice.
Very nice. Oil pressure's still good. Battery voltage. We got about half a tank of gas. Very nice. Let's see the beans.
Can't do the whole bean test because we got some people in front of us.
Second gear. Oh, here we go.
Sounds great.
Oh!
Third gear is
You
really
just
nice.
Chirp the tire in third.
Isn't that nice?
Sound fantastic.
Yeah, and it drives real good too. I love this little car.
It really does. Oh, let me find the station. This is an updated radio.
It is an updated radio.
It's a digital radio.
Ah, you know what that means? It's probably got the Bluetooths.
It's electric.
Boogie, woogie, woogie. And get enough fast.
Oh, nice. You got your radio.
Well, isn't that nice?
Presets down there. It sounds good. And it still has the cassette player. Even though it's updated, they kept the cassette. Isn't that nice?
Isn't that grand?
That is grand.
Oh, look at this. It's a nice Beamer.
It is a nice Beamer.
But doesn't have the class and style that this one's got.
No, it does not. This is a hatch screen 71 bet with
you don't
chrome bumpers.
Both. Front and back.
I also love the little pockets you get over on my side. There's no glove box. It's just these pockets.
Just pockets. That's all you need. You got pockets in your jeans, pockets in your car.
Yes. You ready to do some flybys?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Doors are nice and crisp too. Now Jake the Snake is putting on the lovely, wonderful Cupra, which we're going to have to buy a fan for it because it's getting to that point. Our temperatures are getting warmer. Look at the front end of this bad boy. One of my first Matchbox cars was one of these. We sell those here, by the way. Tons of them. Hot Wheels, Matchbox, you name it. All right, Jake. Good idea. Woo-hoo-hoo. Second gear, baby. God, that thing looks nice. What a nice approach, man. Great looking car.
Was it nice?
Yes.
Did it sound good?
Very good.
I love this thing.
Got a little second gear action out there.
That was third.
That was third?
That was second to third.
Wow, it is sharp.
I'm telling you, dude, with these gears and this much power, it kind of chirps the tires.
It sounds good.
But it's also really easy to cruise. Just kind of nice and normally if you really want to.
I love the paint, dude. That's what I love the most about it.
Green's my favorite color, especially like dark forest greens.
Yes.
So this is really doing it for me right now, especially with the white top. I know you can't see it now, but look on our website at those.
Absolutely.
But yeah, this thing's very well done. All the gauges work. Staying cool. You ready to take it back?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it.